Tesla charging stations and superchargers. Tesla charging stations and superchargers are an essential part of the Tesla ownership experience. They allow Tesla owners to charge their cars quickly and conveniently, making long-distance travel in an electric vehicle a reality. In this video, we'll take a closer look at Tesla's charging stations and superchargers, including how they work, where they're located, and how to use them. First, let's talk about Tesla's charging stations. These are the charging points that you can find in public places such as parking garages, shopping centers, and hotels. They offer a convenient way to charge your Tesla while you're out and about. The charging stations are easy to use and can be located by using the Tesla app. Next, let's talk about Tesla's superchargers. These are high-speed charging stations that are specifically designed for long-distance travel. They're located along major highways and can charge your Tesla in as little as 30 minutes. This allows you to take a quick break and charge your car while on a road trip. The superchargers can be located using the Tesla app, and it's possible to plan your route taking the supercharger's location into account. When you use a Tesla charging station or supercharger, you simply plug your car in and start charging. The charging process is fully automated, and you can monitor the progress of your charge in real time using the Tesla app. It's recommended that you recharge up to 80% of the battery capacity. These superchargers have a max charging rate of 250 kilowatts. You can also preheat or pre-cool your car, so it's ready to go when your charge is complete. Charging at a supercharger station or at home tends to be much more cheaper than the cost of gas for a gasoline car. On average, more than 2/3 cheaper depending on. As of 2022, Tesla has over 40,000 global supercharging stations worldwide, including making it easy for Tesla owners to charge their cars no matter where they are. The company continues to expand its charging network, making it more convenient for Tesla owners to travel long distances. Tesla's charging stations and superchargers are an essential part of the Tesla ownership experience. They provide a convenient and fast way to charge your car, making long-distance travel in an electric vehicle a reality. With a vast network of charging stations and superchargers worldwide, Tesla owners can charge their cars no matter where they are, allowing them to travel with peace of mind. Anyone say anything about range anxiety? Not anymore with all these charging stations. Soon, Tesla will be making a lot of money charging other EV makers and their buyers to be able to use their charging stations while on trips. Bye-bye gas stations. Now, you know about the Tesla charging stations.